So hey everyone and welcome back to another new video, and in this video today I will be unboxing this 1/12 scale diecast model of the Kawasaki Ninja H2R, and this model was gifted to me by one of my friend. His name is Kshitij. So thank you Kshitij for gifting me this model, and you can also follow me on Instagram on _RPM_Redlines for daily updates. So let's get started with the video. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like this video and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye bye.